Hello friends, welcome to my channel The MFA. So the deal is that my fellow people asked me how and where do I edit my videos. To be quite honest, I do not edit them on my PC or laptop at all as of now because I edit them using my phone itself. So let's talk about the app I use to edit all my videos quick and easy. So guys, here is my phone and I'm gonna tell you about the app that I use the most on this phone to edit my videos. It's actually the Vita app, and you can actually get this app on Play Store, on Apple Store as well. So this is the Vita app. I'm gonna show you how I quickly edit my videos. I'm gonna give you an example in this video. So let's go. This is actually the Vita app right here. So this is the simple layout that you have here. When you click on the new project here, it will ask you to choose between the videos that you wanna go ahead and edit. So you can select any videos of your choice. I'm gonna select 3 of these videos that I'm gonna edit right now, and it's loading all the videos right here. Yep, there you go. So you can see all the 3 videos right here that I took like 2 days ago, just to give you an example of what it's like. So here's the loadout. Suppose if you want to edit a clip, like this is one clip. So if you don't like 5 seconds of this clip, you simply go here in split. So it splits the video in two. So what you can do is delete this one that you do not like. If you by mistakenly delete a video that you do not want to, you can obviously undo this by clicking on this small arrow right here. See, it came back. Again and undo, and it becomes the whole video. So you can, in this app, it's so easy to actually do stuff in this app. You can actually mute all of the videos like this. You can add a background music as well. Now also guys, if you want to add some of your own music from your device itself, you have that option as well. You simply click here in music and add music, and you have the Vita app actually gives you a lot of choice to select your music online. So whatever music you want, you can select it online, or you can just go to device, and whatever music you have in mind to put in your video, you can just select from here, and you can actually add it in your video. You can also decrease or increase the speed of your video, like this is the normal speed that it's running at. Suppose I want the video to be more slower, you can always decrease it right here. Now if I play this, it's gonna be super slow-mo. See how slow it is? That's way too slow. You don't want your videos looking like that. So I actually, if I want to slow something down, I actually take it to 0.75x. That's all there is. That's one trick the Vita gives you. The another thing that you can do, you can do a lot more stuff with this Vita app. Suppose if you wanna record your voice and put it in a video, you can do that. You can you can also put some effects. Now guys, I always add a fade in and fade out effect in my videos. Suppose, all right, I'm gonna show you. This is the effects icon right here, and this is the fade in. All right, and in the last clip I actually add a fade out. So if I play it, see how that's fade in, and here this one's fading out. So it gives your videos this crisp look that you want to give. Also you can add some text like hey, hello, right here. Like suppose if I want my text right here, or let's see, somewhere. You can also drag your text like this here, over here, like let's play it. So your text will appear right here. It's quite easy. I'm not even joking. You can actually edit a lot more videos in this app, and I consider myself a beginner, so I do not use Adobe Premiere Pro as of now. I'm still learning. I will once I make more videos of more quality. This video is actually shot by my Canon 200D Mark II, so I think the quality is gonna be nice. You also have the option of adding stickers right here. You can add whatever stickers you want, and you can basically make them pop up anywhere you want. So that's another option right here that the Vita app gives you. The quick tip that I want to tell you guys is that you have to share your videos everywhere, not just on Instagram, Facebook, your home platform, YouTube, but not even on WhatsApp. You have to share it in a lot more places. I share my videos not only on Instagram, WhatsApp, your home platform, YouTube. I share it on Pinterest, I share it on Tumblr, I share it on Quora, I share it on Twitter, you name it. If you want views, you're gonna have to share it to all the goddamn places. So guys, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, The MFA, and I'm gonna see you later.